Welcome back to the MS Word video series. In the last class, we have discussed about these options, and now we are going to discuss about these options. These are the basic options, but they are very useful. If you want to search or find any word, you have to simply press the Control F, or you have to click on the find. After clicking on, you simply need to define the word or search the word or the type the word whatever you want. For example, I want the video. You have to write the video here. As you can see, the four results we have: this video, this video, this video. And here you can also see the video is bold, bold, bold. These are the four results. As you can see, it's defining here that we have the four results, and here it is showing. After that, if you want any other thing, for example, I want end. As you can see, we have 9 results, and here. This is the function of find. You can search any sentence, you can search any word, whatever you want. It's not about only word. You can search paragraph, sentence, letter, whatever you want. After that, we have another option which is called replace. If you want to replace any word, then you can also do that. You simply have to click on the replace. What you want to replace, for example, I want to replace the video, and which word you want to put instead of that. For example, I want to put there audio. After pressing the audio, now what you have to do, replace. If you click on the replace, it will replace the word one by one. If you click on the replace all, it will replace the whole all. It will replace the all words once. So simply I'm going to click on the replace. As you can see, all done. We made 4 replacement. Okay, and then close it, and let's press Ctrl F again. After pressing Ctrl F, now search for the audio. As you can see, we have 4 audio, and audio. It replaced the video with audio. So this is the basic function of replace. So the shortcut key of replace is Ctrl H, and the shortcut key of find is Ctrl F. With these two options, you can also do that. So this is the basic options. If you want to find anything, you have to press on the find, and the shortcut key of find is Ctrl F. If you want to replace any word, you have to click on the replace, and the shortcut key of replace is Ctrl H. So I hope these both options are going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.